Guys, I said I'm back. That was 4 months ago. That was 4 months ago. So, I can't believe the chess videos actually did great, but I can upload a lot because I thought I thought I can't even upload, but no, I can't upload that long. I can only upload for 10 minutes or something or whatever. So yes, that's how something. Yes, but so let's to show support to this channel, like and subscribe. Or you don't. I'm not forcing you, but it really it's good for supporting the channel. So yeah. If you wanna support this channel, like and subscribe. Or just like in general. You don't have to subscribe. Okay. I don't know when I'm gonna upload, but bye.